Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to thread a bobbin on a Kenmore C877.06. This machine uses a class 15 bobbin, which is a little bit wider side to side, and also if you look in the middle there's a little tiny slit, and that goes into, there's a little bump on the wheel here. So first things first, we're going to take our wheel and we're going to loosen the center of it. Then we're going to grab our thread. There's two posts. It's going to go on the one towards the back. And you're going to go down to your little tension disc here. You're going to go under it and then back up. And then we're going to take our thread and we're going to put it in from the inside of the bobbin towards the outside. Just like so. Then we're going to put our bobbin onto the winding wheel, and then we're going to push down on this silver piece here, and that'll lock it into place, and then you just simply start winding. And then once you're full, you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. And then you just cut your line. You use scissors if you want to be more precise. And then you're just going to load it in after that. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.